right, Bloodline, let's take this dub. Take this dub.
Is that your guys' tripod?
Yeah, this one's ours.
Okay.
Good ace, good ace. Let's go, Bloodline. Let's be pumped. Let's have fun. You guys so serious. Free, free, free. Good pass. That was a good. That was good, Kong. Could be better. But that was good though. Have fun, guys. Have fun on the court.
Gosh, man, this shit.
Adjust the score. Adjust the score. Ace, ace. Let's be pumped, Bloodline. Let's be pumped. Have fun on the court. Be excited. Be excited. Free, 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 free. Good spot. That's it, Bloodline. That's it. Have fun on the court. Play smart. Out.
Hey, come on. Hey, you guys got to talk.
Keep it up, Bloodline. You guys are too quiet on the court. Claim your balls. Call your balls. Good job. Let's be excited on the court. Let's be pumped.
Lay up. Only two hitters, okay? Only two hitters.
Outside. Good pick up. Good call, guys. Call your balls. Check it out, guys. That's a good call. Keep calling your balls. That's good. Oh, sorry. You think I'm helping or no? No? You don't think so? I think so. Because he started calling his balls now. Like, I got it. Oh, you can go.
I camera shot.
Coming over. Call your balls, guys. Call your balls. Out. Call your balls, guys. Call your balls. Good serve. Outside. Outside again. I told them outside.
They're doing that so then Jeff can be out so he can set.
Oh, because they know he's a setter?
Yeah.
Good call, good call. Weak side.
Sorry, Con. Sorry, sorry.
All right, Jaden, let's go. Good serve. Wait. Bowling court. Get up, get up. Jeff,
It's the sun.
he needs his shades. That's out.
Right there.
Jeff, you want my glasses? Jeff, you want my sunglasses? Nope, he doesn't. Alright. I don't know where it is. You just gotta wear mine for now.
No, but yours is restricted.
Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, you're right.
Did you play thing like this?
Let's go, Bloodline! Call your balls! Call your balls! Who wants the ball? Call it! Call it and go get it! Oh.
Good try, good try.
Outside!
Go. Yeah.
Outside! Serve! It's alright, take the ball back.
Good try. Out. I thought Ming went.
Oh, y'all playing against each other. Let's go, Cam. Let's go. We know you can play, bro. Play ball.
Hey, this is how the base shoot, huh? When's supposed to shoot?
Easy. There you go, Cam. That's how you do it. Time out, time out. Spring water.
Not with the last two. Last two are easy. Yeah. Unless we like choke. Damn it. And shine. We split with every single team so far. Yes and no. Because it's only taking top two, so it might be close. We might end up in one team, so.
Go.
Okay, hold it.
That's all good, bro. Don't fall.
Let's go, Bloodline. Let's be excited. Let's have fun on the court. Let's be excited. Out. We gotta get their balls from on.
Yeah, we would like
Guess I gotta stay right there then.
Isaac!
Come on, baby. Oh, no, that I mean, you can't go. Yes, sir. Outside. Pick it up. Good pick up. Outside again. Good pick up. Nice.
What's the point?
Pick it up. Play smart.
Okay.
1 point, team. 1 point. Bloodline. 1 point. You guys got this. Let them give you guys the point.
Nice call.